Nĩ tharikira iria ciagagitie muingi kuma kaunti ya Laikipia, Baringo na Isiolo kwa ihinda rĩa mieri 8 riu, amwe ao makiurira icigo ingi niguo gwithara. Atongoria a ndini na Ateti kuma mwena uyu makinyitanira ihinda-ini riri kambeni inyitite thinga, makiuga matigwitikiria uteti utari na kihariro ugayukanie muingi.
Gukoretwo kwina ngahiha nene mwisho ria wa muhaka witu na Baringo na mwena witu na Thaburu, na tugate nginya mioyo ona gugathukangio indo ni undu wa wagi wa thayu.
Women and children do suffer most, especially when communities are in disagreement or warring. People lose their lives, property, and are displaced.
Bishop wa Diocese ya Nyahururu Joseph Mbatia niashakaite kuigirio kwa uteti hagukwini wa ugitiri mwena uyu, akiendekithia kihonia kia na ihenya.
Undu maria twoka namo ni ati ithuothe ni tugutia thayu thiini wa kaunti ino itu, muno makiria ni tukuheana itio turi aria marathurwo na ta atongoria ri aria tuguthurwo na aria mari kuo ri ni tugukorwo tugietha solution kana maundu maria mangithondeka kaunti ino itu nigetha ngahiha ici tiganakorwo kuo ringi.
Mubunge wa Laikipia ya Rugongo Sara Lekorere ni uritie thirikari nene hamwe na cia kaunti guthundura njira cia gukuria mbeu njithi iri ta njira imwe ya kunina kaimana wishi wa mahiu na tharikira cia kuma na nja.
There is need for affirmative action and policies to empower the youth to start up businesses, IT hubs and sports activities. We recognize that the drug and substance abuse menace has had negative impact on our youth. We call upon all stakeholders to join hands and offer the practical solutions and help our youth, especially in establishing rescue and rehabilitation centers and positive mentorship, among others.